guys. So now let's use now let's oh, we don't want to look here. Okay. Let's look on a map. We got a new discover. Oh, nice. Okay, we look exactly discover. Okay.
Neptune.
How is this so close? 14 moves.
Neptune is the farthest planet from the Earth.
And its largest moon is Trident.
In Neptune's atmosphere, there is a large white cloud that moves around rather quickly.
Yeah,
The scooting of this cloud around the atmosphere has led it to be named Scooter.
What's Scooter? Yeah.
Neptune is a very windy place.
Yeah, it's very windy. Trident. Forgot Trident. Okay, let's do it. Yeah.
After the discovery of Uranus, it took 60 years and a small area of its orbit to notice that there was an unknown object affecting its trajectory. This is the way Neptune, the 8th planet of the solar system, was first predicted and later discovered. A year on Neptune lasts for 168 Earth years. Since its discovery, only 1 year has passed on Neptune. Neptune is 30 times farther away from the sun than our planet, so it is very cold there. Neptune's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen, gradually turning into the liquid ocean and ice. This is followed by the red-hot mantle and core. The winds on Neptune are the strongest in the solar system. Their speeds sometimes exceed 2,100 kilometers per hour. Neptune is still unexplored and holds a lot of surprises for discoverers.
It's very short. That was very short. Yeah, I already know. Satellite. How can it be there?
Hubble.
I like to have a book. I'll show it.
In 15 years of working in space, Hubble has taken over 1 million pictures.
Oh, that's a lot.
With Hubble's help, we've learned that most of the stars in our galaxy are forming planets.
Oh, yeah.
Hubble was launched in 1990 and has been working on its orbit for over 20 years.
Probably noticed that the stars don't shine as bright in the city as they do in the country. That's because the city lights are so bright, they outshine the distant light of the stars. That is why it is much better to put telescopes on mountains and far away from big cities. This way, you can see many more stars. But even then, some light gets lost in the atmosphere. That's why scientists decided to send a telescope to space. This telescope is called Hubble, and it helps us uncover wonders we never have dreamed of. Taking pictures of different parts of space, it discovered many interesting facts about our universe. Found new galaxies, saw nebulae, distant stars, and planets. Every day, Hubble sends 80 gigabytes of data to the Earth, where scientists study it.
No. Oh, wow. I like these black holes. Wait, I like it. Okay, let's try the code.
Which is colder? Which is closer to Earth?
Yeah.
Which has got moons?
Earth has no core.
Which is hotter?
Neither.
Which object weighs more?
It is so high.
Excellent. New mission available.
What is it? There's a mission available. Okay, let's see. Oh, the greater rocket. Oh, there's nothing. Okay, I want to see the dwarf planet.
The temperature of the star influences its color. So hot stars look blue, whereas cold stars look red.
Yeah.
Every year, our Milky Way galaxy gives birth to 5 new stars.
Every second.
Half of the stars in our galaxy are double. This means that 2 stars are so close that from a distance they look like one.
Okay, let's see.
हागे भोपळा ह्याच्या भानगडीत 2000चं चलान लागलं.
बाईक इन्शुरन्स रिन्यू केला असता तर नसतं लागलं बाबा.
How many stars do you think you can see on a bright, clear day? Wrong! During the day, we can see the sun, which is also a star that is closest to us. When it disappears below the horizon, we can see thousands of stars in the sky. But all of them are only a small part of our galaxy, called the Milky Way.
Milky Way
From the
galaxy.
ground, it seems that they are all roughly the same size, but that is not true. Among them are neutron stars, brown dwarfs, red and white giants, and even supergiants.
What the heck?
In addition, the stars are at such distances from us, it is hard to imagine. The light from the nearest star after the sun
Yeah.
travels to us for more than 4 years. There are stars whose light flies 10,000 years, and there are those whose light still travels to us, although they themselves no longer exist.
Polar. Polar circle. What's a polar? Wait. A polar. Wait. This is also polar. Eh. I'm trying to
Polaris.
Polaris.
Polaris is a giant star that
Sky.
points to the north and is almost motionless on the night sky.
Yes.
Polaris has become brighter in the past 100 years.
No.
In 1200 years,
Yes.
the title of pole star will go to Al Rai.
Okay.
हागे भोपळा ह्याच्या भानगडीत 2000
Okay.
The stars above us are very beautiful
No.
and very useful.
Yes.
Before phones and before the compass,
Yes.
people used the stars to guide their way in travel. Those who live in the
That's
northern
why I'm not
hemisphere
violent.
noticed that one bright star is always in the north because it is right above the North Pole. It is called Polaris. To find Polaris, you first need to find the Big Dipper. A straight line drawn through one side of the dipper points to Polaris. So if you stand facing Polaris, in front of you will be the north, behind you the south, the east to your right, and the west to your left.
Yeah.
Try to find Polaris.
Check.
Check yourself with a compass.
We can find the hole. Oh, the black hole. We do the black hole. They're so close, guys. Yeah, next episode. Bye, we'll see you in the next video. What happened? Wait. Let me see. Oh, he says it. How does it go? Oh, we are not gonna. No. Anyways, guys, he's trying to say hi. Oh, hello. Don't be sure. I will do anything. No, not shut up. It's like 20 January. Bye.